I am so excited to be here at this art exhibition from TCV, the Tibetan Children's Village. This is just a fantastic exhibition, and the children have done such beautiful work. And on top of that, I was very privileged to see, all this archival material, this photographic journey from the 1960s when this village was founded, and how it has helped and touched the lives of so many children who have then gone on to make their lives better, come back and given back to the community. It's really been a privilege to watch this today, and I really do support them. I hope that you will support TCV, Tibetan Children's Village, as well.
Thank you. Thank you so much.